8 Natural Supplements to Skyrocket Testosterone Booster. Healthline Champions. Today, we're diving into the world of testosterone boosters. If you're looking to rev up your energy, improve muscle mass, and reclaim your vitality, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below to let us know your favorite natural supplements for boosting testosterone. Now, let's get into it. Testosterone. The hormone that makes you feel like a superhero. But sometimes, our levels can use a little boost. That's where natural supplements come in handy. Let's take a look at 8 natural testosterone boosters that can help you reclaim your manliness and feel like $1,000,000. First up, we have the classic zinc. This mineral is essential for testosterone production and can help support overall hormonal health. So, load up on those zinc-rich foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Just don't overdo it on the oysters. Unless you're ready to turn into Aquaman. Some text goes here. Next on our list is vitamin D. Did you know that low levels of vitamin D are linked to low testosterone? So, soak up some sun or consider adding a vitamin D supplement to your daily routine. Who knew that catching some rays could be so manly? Now, let's talk about magnesium. This mighty mineral plays a crucial role in testosterone production and can help improve muscle function and recovery. So, whether you're pumping iron at the gym or just trying to keep up with your kids, magnesium has got your back. Caffeine, the nectar of the gods, and testosterone. Studies have shown that caffeine can temporarily increase testosterone levels, giving you that extra kick of energy when you need it most. Just remember, moderation is key. Unless you want to be bouncing off the walls like a kangaroo on espresso. Moving on to ashwagandha, the adaptogenic herb that's been used for centuries to support male vitality and fertility. It can help reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost testosterone levels. So, say goodbye to those stressful days at the office and hello to a more zen, manly you. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession. This leafy green is packed with nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E, which can help support testosterone production and overall health. Just don't be surprised if you start craving some pipe smoking and sailor adventures. Now, let's talk about Tribulus terrestris, the herbal supplement that's been used for centuries to boost libido and enhance athletic performance. So, whether you're hitting the gym or hitting the sheets, Tribulus terrestris has got you covered. Last but not least, we have Fenugreek, the testosterone-boosting powerhouse found in your spice rack. Fenugreek seeds are rich in compounds that can help increase testosterone levels and improve sexual function. Who knew that something as simple as a sprinkle of spice could have such a big impact? And there you have it, Healthline Champions. 8 natural supplements to help skyrocket your testosterone levels and reclaim your vitality. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start feeling like the superhero you were meant to be. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below letting us know your favorite testosterone boosting supplements. Until next time, stay manly, my friends.